It might be that you've already decided what your legal structure is, or it might be that you don't yet know and that you want to chat this through. I would say either way, it would be beneficial to get in contact with one of our childcare business development officers prior to clicking next on this screen, just to make sure that you've selected the legal structure that you're actually intending to be, and also just to chat through to make sure that that legal structure does fit the purposes and the aims that you wish to have. And on this pop-up, you can see a link to the registration guidance. This is on CIW's website, and I would recommend you opening that as another tab as you're going through the registration process. It's got some useful information. It also breaks down those different legal entities so that you can read about each one in a small amount of detail. And it's got some information about registering multiple services there. So as I said, the application form itself the content of the application form will be different depending on what you've selected. So as you can see, because I've selected a committee-based option, so a charitable incorporated organisation, we've then got organisation details, organisation registration history, and organisation officers on this section, which you wouldn't see if you'd selected, for example, individual provider. We've got our childcare business development officers on hand, ready to support you whenever you are wanting to and ready to go through the process. And good luck.